What if farmers could know exactly how much water, fertilizer, or pesticide each plant needs? No guesswork, no waste. This is called precision agriculture. Welcome to Dr. Agribusiness. Today, we will understand precision agriculture and how technology is changing farming forever. Precision agriculture is a modern farming approach that uses technology like GPS, sensors, drones, and data analysis to manage crops more accurately and efficiently. Farmers now use GPS systems to map fields, drones to monitor crops from the sky, sensors to measure soil moisture, and AI to predict crop health. This means better decisions with real data. Instead of treating the whole field the same, farmers treat each area differently. More water where needed, less fertilizer where not required. This is called site-specific management. Precision agriculture helps to increase crop yield, reduce input costs, save water and resources, and protect the environment. Precision agriculture is not just technology. It is the future of sustainable farming.